This truck went around the world 6.7 times last year, while the driver was asleep. It's time to wake up to an innovation that puts an end to overnight idling and can save you over 1,500 gallons of fuel a year. Introducing Rigmaster, a 14 horsepower, 2-cylinder auxiliary power unit that's already been installed on virtually every long-haul Class 8 type of truck on the road. Rigmaster runs the marker lights, charges the batteries, warms the engine block, and can pump out 20,000 BTUs of air conditioning or 13,500 BTUs of heat. And in the morning, there are still 6,000 watts of power to cook breakfast. Rigmaster goes to work when you shut down for the night. Driving a truck can be hard work, with long hours on the road and schedules to meet. Being alert, rested, and comfortable is more important than ever. The Rigmaster Power Generator is a significant improvement in driver comfort. Proven and efficient, it's a power source you can rely on. Trying to sleep with an idling truck engine can be a pain. The Rigmaster Power Generator gets rid of all that engine noise and vibration and provides you with reliable comforts, including fingertip heating and air conditioning controls at your bunk side and lots of electrical power. You heard right. The Rigmaster gives you 6,000 watts of 120-volt power so you can run virtually any household appliance or electrical device, from microwaves to televisions to coffee makers. Imagine being able to relax with your favorite video in air-conditioned comfort while pouring yourself a cup of freshly brewed coffee without fear of killing your battery or alternator. And if that doesn't turn you on, the Rigmaster 60-amp DC alternator has enough power to always keep your batteries charged. And if your truck alternator should quit, the Rigmaster will keep you legal with lighting to get you home. The Rigmaster can even keep you cool while driving if the air conditioning system in your truck shuts down. Pretty neat, huh? The Rigmaster Power Generator has a quiet 2-cylinder rubber-mounted diesel engine that sits on the underside of your truck cab. It provides 13,500 BTUs of heat and 20,000 BTUs of air conditioning circulated through a powerful blower fan. That's more than enough to keep you comfortable in any weather. The way we look at it, the Rigmaster is just a win-win situation. Now we're going to show you how to operate the Rigmaster. To start the unit, there's a couple of steps you have to learn. The Rigmaster is operated from the LCD module control panel. Located conveniently in the cabin, the control panel allows the different operational modes to be selected through a variety of menus. To activate the module, simply press the power key. This will light up the display window and activate the menu display. Begin by pressing Mode. The arrow keys enable you to cycle through the various menu values and/or adjust them as required. When you reach the desired menu item, simply press the Select key. At each level of the menu, the process remains the same, namely, you find what it is you want to control, use the mode and arrow keys to locate the appropriate menu, and press Select as required. The system has an automatic sleep feature, turning itself off after 30 seconds since the last input. The control panel also has a status light. Glowing green means the Rigmaster is running smoothly. Glowing red means there is a problem, and an error message will be displayed in the window. Refer to the error message listing in your owner's manual. When you press the power key, the LCD display will light up and show the day of the week and the date on the top line. The time and the hour meter will be displayed on the bottom line. To set up the time and date, refer to your owner's manual. To start the Rigmaster engine, begin by pressing Mode. Using the arrow keys, find the Start System mode on the display. Then press Select. Once you've pressed Select, the words Glow Plug along with the countdown will appear. After the countdown, the display will read Cranking as the Rigmaster engine starts up. Once the engine has started, the display will read Engine Running before returning to the previous menu. To stop the Rigmaster engine, you again begin by pressing Mode. Use the arrow keys to find the Stop Engine mode on the display. Press Select. The display will initially read Engine Running, then change to Engine Stopped once the unit has shut down. The Rigmaster Automatic Temperature Climate Control feature requires that you select a temperature setting. Once set, the unit will retain the setting in its memory and will automatically maintain your desired temperature. To set the temperature control, press Mode. And again, with the arrow keys, locate the Set Temperature mode on the display. Press Select. A temperature control range from 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit will now be displayed. Once you've chosen your desired temperature, press Select. The Rigmaster Climate Control feature will now maintain your desired temperature in the cabin. The Rigmaster also allows you to choose a fan speed. As with the temperature setting, the fan speed setting will be retained until changed or cleared from memory. To set the fan speed, press Mode. Using the arrow keys, locate the Set Fan Speed mode. Press Select. Using the arrow keys, find the setting you want on the display. You have a choice of either automatic, low, medium, or high. If you choose the automatic mode, the fan speed will cycle from high to low in order to maintain the desired cabin temperature. Press Select for the fan speed setting you want.
It is recommended that you select the automatic off option when in cold weather, and for hot weather, the automatic on option should be used.
For more effective temperature control, keep the curtain between the bunk and cab area closed. To program and operate either the alarm clock feature or the auto start option, consult your owner's manual. Since the Rigmaster is powered by a small diesel engine, a proper oil level must be maintained, and we suggest you check it weekly. To check the oil level, first remove the Rigmaster cover. The cover is secured with a pair of bottom latches and 2 top hooks. Once the cover is off, check the oil level with the dipstick. If the level is at or below the add line, you'll need to top it up with the recommended oil. Remember, this being a 2-cylinder diesel engine, you need to add a very small amount of oil. Add only 1 to 3 ounces at a time, and check the oil level carefully each time. Be careful when adding oil, as an ounce can be as much as 1/4 of an inch on the dipstick. Remember, do not add any oil unless the oil level is at or below the add line on the dipstick. And don't ever overfill the Rigmaster with oil, as this could seriously damage the unit. After checking the oil, simply replace the Rigmaster cover using the top hooks and bottom latches. Double check to make sure the cover is secure, and you're all set. With the Rigmaster Power Generator, you'll never have to idle your truck engine again. You'll be able to rest better, have more reliability, and you'll have far greater comfort. Rigmaster is a power source you can rely on. Drive safely.